Would you like to make $200 per day in free PayPal money? Yeah, this is the earn PayPal money fast opportunity right now that I am going to reveal in this video. You just have to stay tuned with this video and see it and be active. You do not need to have any skills. You do not have any money. All you have to do is just listen and see these videos completely and be active, and you are good to go. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more Let's Make Money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into action. The sites. I'm going to show you 4 sites that you can earn a really decent amount of money every day. It's $200. It's just an amount you can earn more or less, but definitely if you just follow it regularly, you can definitely earn more than $200 every day without any problem. So the first site, it's like old site, but the site name is treasuretrooper.com. Yes, it's treasuretrooper.com. This is a really cool site. You can see that the design is very old-fashioned, very old-fashioned. You may laugh out loud, but this is a real site. You can see that if you just scroll down, and you can see that this site is running since 2005. This is a really cool and very old sites, and I get paid several times from these sites without any problem. They pay you, and they have already paid $7 million to their members, and without any problem you can earn decent amount of money. This is a survey site. You just join there, you just sign up. This is very easy process. If you just sign up there, you will get $1 for free. Just enter your email, first name, and hit register, and you are good to go with these websites. And these websites are going to show you some really cool survey offers which are really easy to fill up. You just spend 5 to 10 minutes every survey, and you are making more than $10, $20, $30 per survey without any problem. Believe me or not, these sites really works. They also have some games opportunities that you can just play and earn some rewards like gems, and you can use those coins and redeem those into some good prizes and money as well. And they also have refer a friend, which is very cool, and they have a very good percents of return on per referral you get. And definitely these sites pays, and these sites have some lots of surveys. It has not like $10-$20 survey. It's also have some cent surveys, which is just like some seconds or some minutes from you, and you earn money. And at the end of the day, you can definitely earn $40 to $50 from this website without any problem if you just spend a couple of hours every day. So this is the first website. I'm about to show you the second website that I'm about to show you is also a survey website, which is called surveya.com. Yes, it's surveya.com. So this is another very good survey sites that you can start making money with it. All you have to do is just go over to these websites, surveya.com, and you just earn money completing simple survey without any problem. It's very easy. All you have to do is just go over to these websites, hit register, and just input your basic informations. After completing your registration form and after confirming your email address, you are good to go to earn decent amount of money. They will going to give you some paid surveys, and after you complete those surveys, you will get paid by PayPal or Amazon gift cards as you wish. All you have to do is just sign up daily and complete some offers. They are very easy offers, and you can get and it's working around the world in 123 countries already listed in these websites. They have 2 million users, and already 1 million euro they have already rewarded to those users, and they have lots of millions of surveys to perform. There is a sky is the limit. All you have to do, just spend some hours daily, and you can get more than $50 every day without any problem from this website. So this is the second website. The third website that I have to show you, but before that, if you're liking this method, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So let's move on to the third website that I want to show you. Is called pricerebel.com. Yes, this is pricerebel.com. This is also a really cool survey site. It just takes 10 seconds to sign up, and it's good to go to earn money, decent amount of money every day. Just complete paid surveys daily and earn some points and redeem those points into cash gift cards. They support iTunes, Amazon, Visa, Steam, eBay, any gift cards you want. You just sign up. It's 100% free. You just earn points by completing easy, very easy, simple offers, and you can redeem those points into gift cards. They also support PayPal Cash as well. So you prefer, you just get those points and you can redeem those points into PayPal and gift cards. This is very easy. They also have some prize reward sections. If you're lucky, you can get them those, and you can see that people are getting those prizes as well. And this is very, very cool and easy way. And these sites already featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider. So this is a really paying and solid websites that you can start right now and join right now and start earning money without any problem. So this is the third website. So the fourth website today that I have to show you is called surveytime.io. Surveytime.io, you may heard it already, but this is another really good paying survey sites that instantly reward you $1 for every survey you complete as it is. And they have thousands of surveys, and these $1 surveys are really don't take much time from you. It just take 2 to 5 minutes every survey, and you can complete many surveys every day. Just spend a couple of hours daily and you are good to go. They have listed on Trustpilot and having a good rating there. So they are a paying site. They just, all you have to do, enter your email here and hit start now, and you're good to go to start making money. Just completing simple surveys and you can start earning healthy amount of money. This website also can give you, if you just spend a couple of hours daily, you can hit $50 mark daily without any problems. So in combinations of these four websites, treasuretrooper.com, surveya.com, pricerebel.com, and surveytime.io, if you just make around for $50 per website every day, it's easily $200 per day without any problem. It's a free PayPal money. Just spend some hours. You need some activities. Just spend some hours, complete some surveys, and you're good to go to earn $200. So all you have to do, be active, and money will always follow you. So this is it, guys. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.